To remove the stock seat, there's a clip underneath here. You just push up on it. Just like that, it should come right out. Alright, next step is you gotta remove the back portion of the seat. There's gonna be a 14mm bolt down at the bottom here. To remove the seat, just lift up on it, and then it should just come right out just like that. You pull it straight out. And then do the same for the other side. So pull up the same tab to remove the bottom portion of the seat and undo the 14mm nut. So the next step is to remove this center console trim piece here. So you just lift up on it, and first of all, I highly recommend you put some cloth down here so that you don't scratch up your armrest. The clips are at the back, and you simply just pull up like that. Just pull up, and then you move it to the side. And I also recommend you grab another microfiber and then you leave it here just so it doesn't scuff it up. Once you pop this panel off, you can just leave it hanging to the side. We'll worry about this later. So the next step is to remove these two bolts here. They're 10 mils. The next step is you're going to want to take off this the stock Bose plastic surround. So there'll be clips at the top, middle, and bottom. Just start from the top and work your way down. And just like that, it should come right out. After you remove the stock plastic surround, you want to remove the 6 bolts on the sub here. There'll be 3 on each side. They're 10mm bolts. Undo these 2 bolts holding the bracket of this module to the car here. There'll be 2 10mm bolts. Once those bolts are out, just lift up the module and set it aside for now. We'll worry about it later. Next step is unplug this harness here, connect it to the sub. After you unplug the subwoofer, is pull out the subwoofer itself. It should just come right out.
This is gonna be the most time-consuming part. Okay, this clip was originally in like this. You have to put a lot of force down up top, push it forwards towards the enclosure here. We highly recommend pushing it down with a flathead or something on top, and then get a second one while someone's pushing down from up top. The second person pushes it back, and you need a lot of force. Like we tried using our palms, and it busted up our palms pretty bad. So if you're gonna use your palms, pull like a thick fabric on top so you don't mess up your hands.
there, fish it through. Alright, perfect. Just like that. Finished product. Alright. It's level 2 out of 10 base.